Hey, Trip, go push the stool back under the bar there.
What stool?
Tell us about this, Zoe.
It's a package we just got. A box. And it's supposed to be Dude Perfect.
Zoe, you don't like Dude Perfect stuff, do you?
Yes, I do. I get to open the box if you get to cut it open. Okay.
Ooh, that's good, right? Yeah, that's a good if you can get on that one there.
Don't step on it. Here, cut down here.
No,
cut
Zoe.
right here and then we'll open it.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, I heard something.
Oh!
We're
Now
in.
I get to open it, remember?
We're in.
But what is it? What is it? You get to show them and all.
Okay, you show them.
How many socks left?
Nice bracelet. Bracelet.
Socks.
Ooh, socks. America.
Socks.
America socks, huh?
Paper.
Okay, and some paper.
And a shirt. And a shirt. And a shirt.
What?
And
What is
some
this?
pens.
Nice.
Put on your shirt.
All right, let's take some of this out of the bags and stuff.
Let's put on my shirt. Let's start with the pens.
Trip, come here.
Let's start with the pens.
Come over here and put it on.
Let's start with the pens.
All right.
You're a boy.
Yeah, go do what you do.
But Dad, I gotta
Looks like your shirt, looks like your smiley face has a bleeding head. There you go.
Wait, I'll just change.
Oh. All right, let's see these pens, sweetie. Hold them up.
Gosh.
Ugh.
Oh, we can put these on your backpacks.
Oh wait, I don't know what these are.
Right there. Ooh.
There's one. And there's the DP.
Hold it nice and close. There we go, right there. Ooh, nice.
DP.
I'm putting on my shirt.
Baller
Wait,
band.
is this an extra large?
Pound
It looks like it's extra for you.
Okay, and
All right, let's see. We got other pens. What do we got there?
Dude Perfect.
Let's see it. Let's see
It's
it.
like a shield.
Ooh, nice. Wait, it's not focusing.
Mom, Dad,
There we go.
Dad.
Yeah, bud.
What does?
You're really overanalyzing this too much. Why don't you just put it on?
It's a youth small.
Well, that's you.
Put it on.
Put it on.
There's the book. I forgot. One of the twins wrote it before.
Oh.
There was a book called Go Big.
Go big or go.
Small.
We
We got this.
What?
No, I'm gonna read it. No, wait, I'll show you. So this one is Dude Perfect Baller Band, purple. This is Dude 100. What does it say?
Dude
It says-
100.
And it says pound it and noggin, and then noggin, and then the DP. At the end of the videos, they're like pound it, and then they like pound the camera, and then
Yeah.
they say noggin, and then they hit it with their head.
Oh.
So that's one bracelet. Two. How many did we pull out? There's more.
Oh, there's
3,
a couple
4,
of-
5.
Wow.
We have the symbol, and then
This is
Dude Perfect.
So this is the Dude Perfect Baller Band, but it's flow yellow.
It's yellow. Nice.
Flow.
Flow yellow.
Wait, that must be for me. This one is too big.
DP, Dude Perfect, and then Go Big.
Nice.
But my favorite one's this one, because it's my favorite color. It's green. Looks more like teal.
Yeah. Trip, why don't you open up some of those socks while you're waiting?
DP and Go Big. And the last one is DP Baller Band White. Mine was DP Baller Band Black.
Whoa, Trip, those are cool looking. I think those are for me. Whoa, America.
And, okay, this is a really cool one. Because this one just says, it has DP, but it also says the whole Dude Perfect.
Wow. Zoe, why don't you work on one of these shirts and throw it on?
Okay, which one?
Well, Trip is getting into the second pair of
Wait,
socks.
did they send us 5 or 4 bracelets?
I
Where's the
don't
black
know.
one? There's all these ones.
5 bracelets.
Hold on, I
Wait,
think
you
this
think
one.
there's anything in there?
Nothing
What
in
do
there,
they smell
just
like?
a rat.
What do they smell? Are they used? Are they new?
They have the Dude Perfect sign on it.
Are they used?
Hey, nope, new. They
Nice.
smell new.
Well, that's nice of them.
It has a Dude Perfect sign.
I mean, if they stink, there's probably someone's feet.
Oh! I just noticed something.
Wait, if it was somebody's feet from Dude Perfect, you wouldn't mind it? You'd be like, yay, Dude Perfect sweat.
Zoe. I mean, Mom. Dad.
I wonder
I'm
what they.
dead.
So, Dad.
Yeah.
So I get it. I never knew the sign was DP.
Now you do.
Perfect.
Okay,
It's
let
like
me
on
go
your
throw on the
backpack
shirt.
right behind you.
Oh, throw on the
DP.
shirt. I think this one's.
Trip, there's more socks. Why don't you open these up while we're waiting for Zoe to come out in her shirt? Oh, that really does fit you.
Yeah.
Looking good.
It's the same size I was just wearing.
Nice. Okay.
Trying to. Oh my gosh, it's reminding me of earrings. Are these earrings? They have to be pens.
Well, we can try and put them through your ear.
Mom,
Mom's loving this.
Mom, here's some earrings for you. I'm gonna wear all my bracelets and all my pens.
Thank you, Dude Perfect.
Nice. And then what do they say when they sign on?
They say pound it, and then they hit it with their noggin.
All right.
At her.
Trip, you want to pound it and hit it with the camera?
Pound
No, hit the camera.
Pound
There you
it.